Okay, here's a video how to access the online textbook. You're going to log into our period 6 geometry class, right, for the geometry book. Right here on the left side, all the way towards the bottom, you got your IXL, you got your Edpuzzle. This one, big ideas. Big ideas. All right, that's where the textbook is. Click there. And I'm already logged in. If you see my name's up here, you might have to log in with your, the school username and password. Make sure you're here at Geometry Period 6. And right up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, here, the fourth one says, this yellow one says Student Dynamic e-book, electronic book. This is it right here. Click there. And you're going to get a selection, a library of books. You don't click into the wrong one. Don't click the ones here on the bottom. No, no, no. Up here, this one up here, geometry. Select that one, click. And now, so that we can select an exact chapter that you want to go to and a specific section in that chapter, right? We don't want to just be flipping through a bunch of pages like this, right? So you right up here, contents, click this. And if we're in chapter 5, if you click this one, it'll take you to the beginning of chapter 5. But if you click on this circle plus, you can actually select which section in chapter 5 you want to go to, right? Again, so you don't have to be flipping through a bunch of pages. All right. And since we're starting in let me go to chapter 5, right? Go to chapter 5.1 I selected. And it started here. Here's 5.1. But we're not starting in 5.1, so I want to go to chapter 1, right? So I want to go to here, and I want to select the section. So go to the arrow here, and it takes you to the section. If we're doing points, lines, and planes, you're here. If we're doing this here, let's go to midpoint and distance formula. So then you select that, and it'll take you to section 1.3. There's 1.3. And it says using midpoint and distance formulas. And then you use the arrows to turn the pages or, go to the next page. And then you use the back arrow if you want to go back. Okay, and when you're finished, up here it says back to library. Select that. And right here, top right again, should have your name, and you should be able to log out. Log out. Close that window and just go back to our Schoology course, period 6. There you go. Easy.